Thunder E here, and today I got to check out the Surface Duo 2. Yes, it's finally here, and Microsoft has done some major upgrades to this device. Now, before we go ahead, I also got to see other devices from Microsoft, like the Surface Laptop Studio. If you want to see more about that, definitely subscribe to the channel and check out my video on the Surface Laptop Studio. Now, the Surface Duo 2. This is fully revamped. We've got, of course, that nice, thin, slick design, but it's got an upgraded camera, upgraded processor, a lot more. Meaning we have a Snapdragon 888 processor in this device. We've got 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage to start off with, which is great. What does that mean for you? It means, look, you can now do more, game more, and of course, better performance. And speaking of gaming, Microsoft has gone ahead and showcased some new features in terms of gaming. Meaning you can use that second display as your controller for Android games. Games like Asphalt 9, you can see the controller used there. We can also put it in tent mode and play our Xbox games on Xbox Game Pass, which is great playing Forza Horizon. And of course, I can't wait to play the new one once it comes out. But the other thing is that you can also use the second display as a controller for your Xbox game. So you can map your controls there, you can use it, and it felt really good. Now, I will give you my full gaming review once I get it in-house to play, but honestly, that was a really solid experience. Now, the cameras are improved. We have a 12 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel telephoto with a 2x zoom, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. Microsoft has listened. They've improved the cameras on this device, and it records at 4K 60 as well. So better cameras, we'll see how that works and see how it pairs against its competition, but I like that there. Now, this comes with a 4,448 milliamp battery, so a bigger battery. The problem is all-day battery life with about 15 hours of talk time, which is nice. It's also a 5G capable device overall, but I like what I'm seeing here from Microsoft. They've done a lot of things to reshape the device, keeping some of that unique, slick form factor from last year. Now, this supports the Surface Slim Pen 2, which means you can take the pen from your other Surface devices, you can use it here, and that pen is priced at $129. It works really well. It's got some nice full functionality on the device, and it's pretty smooth overall. Now, the Surface Duo 2 is priced at $1,499, so basically almost $1,500. And this is a very solid device in general for what I'm seeing, but I have to showcase it at home once we start gaming. So let me know what games you want to see, Android games, what games you want me to play on Game Pass, Stadia, and all that fun stuff. And also emulators, we'll try that out too on the Surface Duo 2. If you got any questions, any comments, let me know. Also, check out our Surface Studio laptop video, and always enjoy entertainment.